Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Tidio to Shopify store. Now the first thing you got to do is to head on to Shopify and search on Tidio live chat and AI chatbots. Click on add the app and then click on install app on the page that follows, and this will transfer you to your Tidio panel. Now time to activate Tidio app in Shopify. So after installing the Tidio app, you need to make the widget visible to visitors to your website. You will make the Tidio widget visible by opening your Shopify admin panel and going to online stores, then themes section. There, find the theme you want to edit and click customize. Open the app embeds tab to activate Tidio on your website. Enable the toggle next to the Tidio chat widget and save the changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching.